Tracy Summer.
Okay, y'all. I'm not sure how cool that unboxing was, but I hope I did a good job. I hope it was like entertaining whatsoever, you know what I'm saying? ASMR was kind of but anyway, wasn't too much in the box. Of course, in Gamma Plus fashion, always presents their stuff amazing. I will say, based on my experience with Gamma and what they usually put in the box when it comes to the screwdriver, this is definitely a different look. You see what I'm saying? This one's more clear versus this one's kind of a solid colorway, but it's all good. Maybe it was for the better. And yeah, it's a screwdriver. Extra is always good. Put that right there. But they did include a USB-C charger in here, which is really good. I can use a lot more of these, no problem, especially when it comes to charging things such as my Gamma Evo Nano Mister. This thing is one of my favorites from Gamma, for real. Like, no lie. If you don't have one of these, I don't know why you don't have it. So use that discount code J.Exquisite and go to Gamma Plus direct website. Hit the link in my video description below. I will have this available for you to access easily, no problem. If you don't have one, you should go ahead and add that to your arsenal. But Gamma Plus did it with the boosted shaver. I've been waiting for this for some time. Since I saw it, it's really been an exciting one for me, and yeah, they did it. So I'm gonna put this over here. I'll set this up in a moment. One thing that I noticed, that this thing does sit up on its own, which is good. I love this because in comparing to, where is my Rebel? This also stands up on its own. It has more of a little wobble going on versus this stays up. But this being my favorite shaver, this is possibly going to become my favorite shaver now because there's more to it, and I will let you know all of that in just a moment. But this Stylecraft charging stand right here, that originally, of course, this came with the Uno 2.0. So this can sit on here perfectly and won't rock back and forth whatsoever, and it charges on that stand. So if you have that Stylecraft stand still available sitting around on your station, I know some people have told me in the comment section and DM'd me telling me that theirs was not working, but this charger works just fine. But it's also compatible with your Gamma boosted. And with that being said, I'm going to put it right here and have it stand and let this thing charge. As soon as I get the chance, of course, use it on a haircut with my boosted trimmer that is equipped with the ES5 blade, and I'll also use this one as well. I'll only be doing a boosted haircut, so this is what I'm going to use for the haircut, and I'm super excited for it, believe me. But anyway, this did come with a small little brush. This is a little different from what I've seen before. You can dust your stuff off, from trimmers to, you know, the blades in between here. And I'm going to get into this in a second. Just give me a moment when it comes to the specs. I'm just kind of breaking down what did come in the box. I'm going to be definitely using this little duster. And another thing this did come with is a, what do you call this actually, so I don't butcher the name. It's a customizable accessories thumb part detachable hanging loop. So this is the hanging loop that you can attach to your shaver, and some extra screws, I believe, in case you do lose the screws. But this is the thumb part that it's talking about. You can, you know, put your thumb on here. It's like right here on the box. This one has the thumbprint or thumb part versus doesn't have the thumb part. I'm probably gonna leave it like this. I don't mind it. I don't need the thumb part. That's okay with me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this right here at a charge. We're gonna go ahead and get into the details of the specs. I believe this is priced at what retail? Let me grab this for some details real quick. Let's see. This thing, I believe, is not out on the market officially yet, but it does say on the website, pre-order now, orders will ship with drop in September. So this thing is set to be dropping this September, and the retail is priced at $119.95. So $119.95, and you can buy that now, pre-order it of course. And I haven't used it yet, so I'm still yet to get some people to come in here, and I'm going to of course execute a haircut using the boosted lineup with the trimmers that I have, the 2 trimmers, and I'll use it with the clipper and the shaver of course. So this is a pretty pricey package. It's not loud. I like how this sounds, so I can hear those RPMs kicking in. This thing's gonna be definitely crunching through something serious. Yeah, I think this is the one. Up next now, I'm gonna go ahead and just get into the specs of what this thing offers, and I'll just read off of the box. Okay, getting right to it. I'll read off of the side first. This is the side, just for those of y'all that are curious. We have a super torque motor, 11,000 RPMs, powerful motor, of course. Lithium-ion battery, 3-hour runtime. A crunchy blade. Then you have a gold titanium foil, of course. It's USB-C rechargeable. I'll go ahead and read off of the back, and I hope y'all can make that out so that way you can read with me. The top here is in English. Gamma Plus boosted professional shaver with super torque motor, and the super torque motor runs at 11,000 RPM. Premium gold titanium foils offer a superior shaving experience for even the most sensitive skin. Includes customizable accessories, thumb part, detachable hanging loop, and screws. Rechargeable battery with 180-minute runtime and 3 LED indicator lights for different battery levels. Water resistant and ergonomic compact design, weighing at 5.6 ounces. Stagger crunchy ultra thin stainless steel cutters for superior close and smooth finish with a distinctive audible crunch. Premium gold titanium foils with integrated micro trimmer feeds longer hairs for a smoother, more efficient shave. Includes protective cap, USB-C charging cord, clean and brush, removable thumb part, and detachable hanging loop. 5 screws and mini screwdriver. That's kind of very repetitive, but oh well. I'll zoom in right there and freeze this just for y'all to read for your own, for your own viewing pleasure and all that good stuff. This is what comes with this thing, and once again, on the side, this is the dummy proof breakdown, but that's that. This is the box, of course, in Gamma Plus fashion. Always presents their stuff amazing, always. And like I say, an integrated micro trimmer. So there's this blade in the middle. I haven't had a shaver with this just yet, so this is a first for me to try out. I know there's other shavers that I believe Stylecraft and Gamma Plus have put out that have that, and other companies are doing it as well, but we're gonna see what this is all about, and I will let y'all know how I feel about this after I try it out.